Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on your PC remotely from your smartphone or tablet from shutdown in Windows 10. My name is Andreas and you're watching Octopus Technology. This is done by using a feature called Wake on LAN, and what it does is that it sends a magic packet to your computer's Ethernet port in order to wake it up. So, what we need to do is enable the PC to listen for a magic packet. So, the steps are divided into three sections. The first being the BIOS/UEFI configuration, the second being the Windows 10 configuration, and the third being the smartphone side configuration. Please keep in mind that this will only work if you have both devices connected to the same network and that your PC supports this feature. Also, make sure that you have the correct drivers installed for your network card, or this will otherwise won't work. So, with this out of the way, let's begin. First, turn on your PC and keep pressing the delete key on your keyboard to enter the BIOS. Please keep in mind that your PC may enter the BIOS settings using a different key, such as the F2 key. My motherboard has UEFI, so I will be demonstrating how to set this up in the UEFI settings, although this is similar to BIOS as well. The setting we need to change here is to enable the Ethernet port to turn on the PC. If you have a dedicated Ethernet card, the setting is Power On by PCI Express or PCIe, or if it's an onboard Ethernet card, the setting is Power On by PCI. First, you need to go in the Advanced Settings tab and click on the APM option. Now, you should enable Power On by PCI and click on the Exit button. Click on Save Changes and reset to restart your PC into Windows. Now for the second part. Before you continue with this part, make sure you have downloaded and installed the drivers intended for your Ethernet adapter, as the one downloaded by Windows Update might not work. Right-click on this PC and click on Manage. The Windows Management Console will pop up. Click on Device Management and double-click on the Network Adapters. Find the adapter you are using and double-click it. Depending on the brand of your adapter, the menus will differ, but the process is still the same. Click the Power Management tab and click the Wake on Magic Packet and Wake on Magic Packet from Power Off State options. Now click OK and exit the Computer Management window. Close the Computer Management window, open the Control panel, click on System and Security, and click on Power Options. Now click on Choose what the power buttons do and click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Make sure you untick the Turn on Fast Startup option, otherwise this won't work. Now click on Save Changes. The next step is to make your IP address static. The reason we need to do this is to keep your computer from changing its IP address automatically, which will render the feature unusable. You do this by going to the network icon at the bottom right of your desktop, right-click it, and click Open Network and Sharing Center. Now click on Change Adapter Settings. Find your adapter, right-click it, and click on Status. Now click on Details and note down the IP address, the subnet mask, the default gateway, and the DNS server, and click on Close twice to exit. Now right-click on the Ethernet adapter again and click on Properties. In the window that pops up, double-click on the Internet Protocol version 4, select Use the following IP address, and use the following DNS server addresses, and enter the information you noted down earlier. Click OK twice, and exit the Network Connections and Network Sharing Center windows. Now you need to go to your router by typing its IP address in your browser's URL. My case is 192.168.10.254. In this step, we will be adding port 9 to port forwarding in order for it to be open when we send a packet for waking up the PC. Your router will probably be different than mine, so you have to find out on your own how to port forward on your specific model. Just to show you how it's done, I'll be using my router as an example. The router that I have is a Fritzbox 7360. Click on Internet and click on Permit Access. Click on New Port Forwarding to add a new port. From the Port Forwarding Enabled For option, select Other Applications. In the name, add WOL1. Select the computer you wish to port forward to, which in my case is Andreas PC, and enter 9 in all the port sections. Now click OK, and you need to do this one more time for the UDP protocol. So create a new port forwarding, select Other Applications, enter WOL2. In the protocol, select UDP in the ports add 9, and make sure at the computer section you select the PC you wish to wake on LAN. Now click OK and click on Apply. Once you do that, the biggest and hardest part has been done. All you need to do now is configure the Android device which wakes up the PC. For the third and last step, connect to the router your PC is on using your smartphone via Wi-Fi and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, enter Wake on LAN and install the one from Reynard Alisher, which is the one I found to work. Once installed, open the app and tap on the plus icon. Now enter a name for your PC and type in the IP address you noted down earlier. Tap on Save and turn off your PC. If you have configured everything correctly, once you tap on your computer's name, the PC should turn on. I hope you liked this video, as it took a long time to make, and if it did, please make sure to click on the like and subscribe buttons to show your appreciation. Also, if you have any questions or you want to request future videos, please use the comment section below. See you next time!